Across Northern California, Westervelt Ecological Services is bringing new restoration sites online to meet the needs of development and our ecosystems.
First and foremost, it's restoration. Restoring that habitat is critical for hydrology, ecology, species, as well as human health and happiness. Our designs are completely driven by the science.
By offering credits, which provide an ecological value, offsetting the impacts of development, Westervelt's mitigation banks speed critical project timelines.
Westervelt is working on a number of projects throughout the region that provide a variety of credit types to help not only infrastructure but needed residential development to meet housing crisis issues. Coming to a mitigation bank, it's large acreage that's been restored to meet requirements set by the regulatory agencies and has a baseline value to help offset their impacts at a different site.
Much-needed new sites across the region will fill a mitigation credit backlog while fitting strategically into our conservation mission.
There is conserved, restored property immediately upstream and downstream of this property. So it has a huge implication ecologically that the river can reconnect to the floodplain and re-engage on a regular basis. This is a sort of a key piece in the bigger picture.
Keeping California moving, protecting our natural landscapes.
Really a diversity of projects to sort of help meet all of our clients' needs, but also to help keep all the different habitats preserved.